Apple reported a better earning last week and the prices jumped a lot higher. Where do I see it going from here? Watch this video. I will share where is Apple share price going next. Thank you. Okay, this is Apple chart from TradingView. I strongly recommend you guys to get a pro account because you can see we have a pro account right here. So what's the benefit of a pro account? A pro account get real life data. This is very important. The accumulation distribution line through here. You can see right now, although price is trying to break higher, this is already making a lower high, meaning they can't break any higher. Not enough accumulation, so less accumulating. So it's not as healthy as it look. Okay, you can see the orange circle right here is the gap higher when we had the earning report. When you click over here, you can see we have earning in green, surprised by 6% on the earning. Revenue has grown 2%, so it's better than expected. Therefore, highs kept higher. However, now his price is looking at struggling a bit. If price close the gap very soon, then I don't think it's that bullish. We could see this happen and eventually go back lower on that. So really keep an eye on how the price development on this gap. Another things that you should pay attention to is the S&P 500, because although Apple has managed to make a breaking through the recent high, but S&P 500, it is still ranging under the 4,200 area, okay, which is not very healthy. I have done a video of showing how to use our AI seasonal data. The seasonal data from the AI trading system is projecting a range bound in May, maybe into June. So if you do trade the indices or stocks, keep it nice and short, all right? Short and sweet on your target. That's my advice for the next couple of weeks. So that's all for our stock market update this week. Next week we'll come back. If you do have anything that you want us to cover, drop us a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you guys next week.